Strapped to my backpack is a package from Schrade Knives. Big shout out to them for sending this over to me. I could do this unboxing sitting at a desk, but I feel like knives are tools and they belong out in nature. So today we're going to be unboxing this the right way. I'm Orange Ape Outdoors. Let's get after it. I have been waiting and really excited to get into this package with you guys, so I'm going to bring the camera a little bit closer. We'll get right into it. All right, before we get into this real quick, I do want to mention that this is going to be more of a unboxing and first impression video. Let me know if you would like to see me do full-length videos on each one of the knives in this package. Definitely would love to do that. So the first one we pulled out of here is the Schrade Needle Serrated. Take a look at that thing. It's going to be absolutely awesome. Of course, it comes with a sheath. Flip this around for you guys here. It does say that it is an AUS 8 steel, which is kind of a good midline steel. It's going to handle a whole lot of things. It's going to take an edge fairly well, hold that edge pretty decently, and corrosion resistance, all that good stuff. This will be pretty decent. Not quite as good as some of your more premium steels, but definitely not a bad steel. Non-slip handle, the sheath of course. Pulled this one out facing the right way. This is the Schrade Scramble. This of course is a folding knife. Here we are working with an AUS 10 steel, it says. Aluminum handle scales, that is going to be nice. It looks like they have a nice texture to them, the Schrade S on the handle there. Looks like that will be very nice. And the folding knives, they all say that they have Ultra Glide, so I'm hoping that they're all very smooth, very snappy. Now another folding knife here. This is the Schrade Boneyard. Again, AUS 10 steel and the Ultra Glide pivot on this folding knife, so we're hoping that's going to be super awesome. And G10 on the handle materials here. This is, of course, an awesome karambit style knife. And last, but certainly not least, this is the Schrade Boneyard, but the fixed blade. The handle material, not the handle material, the blade steel on this is going to be AUS 8, since this is also a fixed blade. We are looking at a non-slip handle, and of course, this does come with a sheath. Looks like we've got some nice texturing on that handle there, so that is probably going to feel very well in hand. So, we have those all set up and laid out there. Let's go ahead and get some of these bad boys opened up. Pop these open, get a first reaction here. Again, I will be doing full-length videos on these as well, so make sure that you keep an eye out for that. The scissors on this next tool, Knight K30, are awesome. Getting through the plastic on here and all of that. Set those off to the side. I think we can get in here now. There we are. So first things first, we'll go ahead and take that plastic bit off of there. Look at that. Absolutely awesome looking knife. Fits my hand super well. Very well balanced. I'm a huge fan of that. Just right off the bat, this is probably going to be one of my favorites from them. Let's go ahead and get this sheath popped out of the other side here. Check out the retention on this bad boy and move on to another one. Absolutely love that. The retention on that is tight. Man, that's going to be an awesome knife. Let's just move down the line, go after this Boneyard folder here, the Karambit. Karambit? Let me know in the comments down below how you say that. I don't necessarily know what the correct or not correct way is. Should have cut down into that plastic a little bit more there. Just had to pop up here and get a little bit of leverage real quick. Let's get that the rest of the way out of there. Again, just the way that this fits in my hand is awesome. I'm 6'4", and I feel like I've got pretty good sized hands, so having a knife that just fits in the hand super well, nice and comfortably, absolutely awesome. Looks like this is going to be a liner lock style. That's what we're looking like. Fold it up there. There's a little piece of paper down in there, so I'm going to poke that out of there because I don't want that to interfere with giving this a good snap. We want a good first impression. Looks like we're rocking thumb studs for the deployment method. Man, that is buttery smooth. Wow. That is crazy. I can't believe that is that smooth. I am really liking this as well. 2 for 2 on the Schrade box so far here, I'd say, boys. Let's check out the scramble folder. As long as I can get down into the plastic layer here, I should be able to just kind of rip the paper portion of this away. And don't worry about any of this trash that I'm tossing around. I'm making sure to pick any of it up and put it in this box here. I'm going to pack out everything that I brought down here with me today. It's the only way to do it. If you bring it in with you, you've got to bring it out with you. Let's get this popped open and out of here. Piece of paper fell out, so we're looking good there. I love the blade shape on this. The blade shape is just very nice. It kind of reminds me of a Spartan sword. And the texturized handle on this, very nice. This is the aluminum handle. Feels good in the hand. Not very chunky, but has a nice weight to it. Let's give this flipper tab a try. That is really smooth too. I like the way that this fits in my hand. That jimping right there is very nice. That catches my thumb. Awesome. Liner lock style. It does flick pretty well out of the box. I am a fan of it. I'm going to go ahead and say we are 3 for 3 on the Schrade box. Let's go ahead and get into this last fixed blade here, wrap this video up. The Boneyard fixed blade. I was very excited about this one. Just aesthetically, it looks super cool. See if we can get that popped off, or if I've got to do some more cutting here, it seems like. Let's try to just go along the bottom here. Man, if there's one thing, the blister packaging here is a little bit of a pain, but I'm not really going to complain about that. Came off a little bit tough there. Let's make sure we're being a little bit more careful and safe. Pop this little plastic nib off of there, and there you have it. I absolutely love that handle. That handle's very nice, very comfortable. Of course, you've got the finger loop down there if that's your thing. I've never really carried a karambit, nor do I have much experience with them, so this is new to me. Might take a little bit of learning and getting used to, but we will definitely be checking that out. And I did want to mention on the needle as well as the Boneyard, we are running both edges on here being sharpened. This one all the way down to here, this one just up to there, so you do have a bit of room there for your thumb if that's something that you're needing. want to go ahead and pop the sheath out of this package as well. But based off of everything that I've had my hands on with today, Schrade is going to have knocked this sheath out of the park as well. So let's give this a shot. Like I said, I don't have much experience with karambits. Oh, there's little retention right there, so it won't go anywhere. It's a little bit tough to get into the sheath. I'm expecting that will loosen up with time, or could just be a skill issue because I'm not really that familiar with karambits. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and say 4 for 4. Schrade has absolutely killed everything. My first impressions on all of these knives are they look nice, they feel nice. The folders are very flippy, very snappy, and right off the bat, if I had to pick a favorite, I would say it would probably be the karambit folder, just because of how buttery smooth it is. But let's get some FaceTime and wrap this video up, everybody. And there we have it. 4 absolutely awesome knives from Schrade, a company that's been around for a while. I used to carry a Schrade pocket knife as a kid, and they're still around making awesome knives. Go ahead and hop in the comment section down below and let me know which one of these knives today was your favorite. And as always, go ahead and click the like button on this video if you liked it. Smash that subscribe button for me as well. And if you go ahead and click down in the description of this video, you will find my Buy Me a Coffee link as well as my affiliate links. All of that just goes to help support and build the channel, which I always appreciate so much. And as always, thank you. Have an awesome day.